Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and today we're going to be talking about Amber Heard and a few other stories that are coming pretty huge around today's stories. We're going to talk about right now. We'll be talking about Amber Heard and her mother's resurfaced texts. Let's get right into it. Amber Heard's mother admits domestic abuse claims were lawyer's idea in resurfaced text. Amber Heard's mother, Paige Heard admitted that domestic abuse accusations on Johnny Depp was not her daughter's idea in resurfaced messages. The blast reported that Paige told Johnny that the Aquaman actor didn't willingly or happily file for a restraining order. Paige blamed the lawyers on both sides for frigging things up writing. It's the lawyers on both sides doing this, not Amber. I heard the whole story very teary. If I could just talk to Johnny, she didn't want this. Frigging lawyers on both sides. This was not her idea, not her wishes. She was told she would be evicted and out in 30 days if she did not do this. She added in her text on May 27, 2016. Her dumb lawyer, possibly as the only way she would have a place to live in 30 days. She did not want to do this, I swear to you. The lawyers are frigging things up, Paige said. The Pirates of the Caribbean are responded to this message, asking that if Amber doesn't want it, then why would Amber go to the courthouse with a photo of her that looks like she's been abused? This is my life too. What are my children's friends supposed to think? I do not deserve this, and they do not deserve this, especially not from her, he wrote. Paige replied that Amber's lawyer told her to do so, and that's the reason she wanted to talk to Johnny. I swear to you, this was not her idea, nor did she do it willingly or happily. She was told it was her only option to not be kicked out, Paige wrote. I'm not making excuses, but that is what she believed. She did not want to do it. She felt she was betraying her only love, but the lawyer said so, she added. Please don't pass this on. If you ever talk to Amber again, I love you, son. The message read. And it's going to be showing this, but we're going to go a bit more deep into this because these guys are just kind of giving the text idea on what's going on. However, our buddy Christopher C. Melcher, please follow him on Twitter, he brings up way more insight and deep information into the story, into what's going on. So, here's what he has to say about the whole situation and what's been going on between Amber Heard and her mother and Johnny Depp. Upon filing for divorce, Amber Heard's attorney made financial demands on Johnny Depp and accused him of abuse. The 24th of May 2016 letter says Amber wants to handle this quietly, so she has not yet asked for a restraining order. Please, dear Dr. Bloom, please be advised that our firm has filed a petition for dissolution of marriage on behalf of Amber Depp. As you may be aware, your client and Amber's husband, Johnny Depp, violently attacked and threatened Amber on Saturday night, May 21st, in their penthouse apartment located at 849 S Broadway. There are several witnesses to this particular incident, and there are photographs depicting the property damage Johnny caused, as well as the physical injuries he inflicted on Amber. Unfortunately, this is not the first incident of domestic violence perpetrated by Johnny against Amber. In fact, there have been 2 other incidents in the past 6 months. Although Amber is afraid of Johnny, she strongly insists that we do everything possible to keep this personal matter out of the media spotlight, which is why she was not yet sought at Clet TV Tro, and why we did not arrange for Johnny to have been personally served at last night's movie premiere. Amber wishes to Amber wishes to work quickly towards a private and amicable resolution of all matters, but she will need Johnny's immediate cooperation to do so. To this end, please have Johnny promptly sign and return by Friday, May 27, 2016, the enclosed notice and acknowledgement of receipt form FL 117 confirming service of the summons, petition family case cover sheet, and blank response if the requested notice is not signed and the original executed form is not returned to me by May 27th. We will have no alternative but to arrange Johnny to be personally solved. Okay. This is what we have here. And then we'll go on to the next one. Driving with Johnny to continue to make all payments for any encumbrances thereon, exclusive use and possession of 849 S Broadway penthouse number numbers 1, 3, and 5, with Johnny 2 and continue to pay mortgage, utilities, etc. Associated therewith and an IV contribution towards her reasonable and necessary attorney's fees in the amount of $100,000 and $25,000 for resident accounting costs to be paid to my firm by closed business 5 p.m. on May 27, 2016. Further, I believe it would be beneficial for all if this case was assigned to a private retired judicial officer for all purposes. My proposed list of private retired judicial officers is as follows: Han Gretchen Taylor, Han Robert Schneider, or Han Melinda Johnson. The fees of the judicial officer can be paid with funds from the party's community estate. Kindly let me know at your earliest convenience if you and your client are agreeable to doing so, as well as which judicial officers are acceptable. Upon hearing from you, I will have assistant obtain rates and availabilities. We are indeed hopeful that we can swiftly work out mutually accepted short and long-term solutions outside the public eye. Thank you. I look forward to your prompt follow-up and reply. This goes on to say, 2 days later, at 9:45 a.m., Amber Heard's attorney noticed an emergency hearing for the next day, May 27th of May 2016, at 10 o'clock a.m. This is the only information shared with Johnny Depp's team about the hearing that would occur in 23 hours. I left a voicemail for Ms. Wazer at 9:45 a.m. and advised her that the petitioner, Amber Laura Depp, Amber, would be appearing at ex parte at 8:30 a.m. on Friday, May 27th, 2016, in the Department 6 of the Los Angeles Superior Court, located at 111 North Hill Street, Los Angeles, California 90012, on the instant matter. Specifically, I stated that Amber would be requesting a DV Suclet's against respondent John Christopher Depp, including requests for perdente et la spousal support payable by Johnny to Amber, Amber's exclusive use and possession of redacted residence exclusive use, and possession of the black Range Rover vehicle with which Amber is currently driving, Amber's exclusive possession of the dogs Pistol and Boo, and a contributive payment by Johnny for Amber's attorney fees and accounting costs. It goes on, Johnny Depp was in Spain on 27th of May 2016, leaving him no chance to prepare for the hearing. He was not an intercontinental threat to Amber Heard, but she claimed a need for immediate protection. It is my understanding that Johnny is currently out of the country working in Spain for the next several weeks and will not return before June 7, 2016. At the earliest, my office informed Amber's counsel prior to the ex parte notice that Johnny was out of the country. My office communicated with Amber's counsel by telephone and email throughout the day on May 26 in an effort to resolve these matters. The day Amber Heard picked for her hearing was 3 days after Johnny Depp's mother died. It was his daughter's birthday and the premiere of his movie Alice Through the Looking Glass. The restraining order application by Amber Heard makes no mention of the marriage bottle incident. She mentions only 3 instances in April and May 16th and alludes to other abuse that occurred in their arrangement. Read it here. Amber and her attorney appeared in court on May 27, 2016, but there was no requirement for Amber to be there. These applications are typically heard on the papers and chambers without the judge speaking with counsel or the applicant. Hearing, the court may make emergency orders based on the documents submitted or may set a hearing before ruling on an ex parte application. The court will provide reasonable notice of such hearings to permit in-person or remote appearances. The media was there in force. The court did not know about the hearing until Amber Heard showed up. The only one who could have leaked was Amber or Johnny Depp's side. No way JD wants this attention. Calling the media to create a spectacle is inconsistent with someone needing protection. If Johnny Depp were dangerous, as Amber Heard claimed, she would have called the police, not the media. Amber Heard gets the restraining order and walks out the front door of the courthouse and not using the underground or side escape available to high-profile parties. Amber appears to have a large bruise on her right cheek, a scene widely shared in the media. This one, 27th on May 6, 2016. See a little bruise here? Yep. It's all prevalent, right? Well, if we go further down, he goes on to say, by miraculous healing powers or the magical arnica cream, which has been constantly used in court, Amber Heard's bruise that was highly visible on May 27th, 2016, vanished the next day. Where is it? Where is it? Huh. That's odd. Just gone. Amber Heard's father texted Johnny Depp that Amber was scared she would have no place to live unless she got the restraining order. Johnny responded that he told Amber she could live in the penthouse as long as she liked. Evidence from actual Johnny's father, David Heard, the lawyer told her she had to or she would have no place to live in 30 days. This is the reply. Ms. Heard's father replied shortly after stating, the lawyer told her she had to or she would have no place to live in 30 days, to which I replied, that is absolute BS. Her lawyer asked for two weeks at the downtown place, and I said, no, she could stay there as long as she liked. Why would I force her out in 2 weeks? I ain't no scumbag. Dude, my wedding ring is still on me. I have not taken it off because I love her. It is coming off now. What a stabbing knife to the back. I'm so disappointed and so hurt. It's just too much. Later, brother. Feel better, JD. Amber's mother also texted Johnny Depp on May 27, 2016, claiming Amber's lawyer instructed Amber that she had to seek the restraining order. That's ridiculous. Lawyers advise clients to make decisions. Johnny Depp. If she didn't want a file a restraining order against me and send a message to the world that I am some kind of violent wife beater, then why would she go to the courthouse with a photo of her that looks like she's been abused? This is my life too. What are my children and my children's friends supposed to think? I do not deserve this, and they do not deserve this, especially not from her. Her lawyer told her she had to, and she had today. That's why she wanted to talk to you. We didn't talk, so please never bring this up. But I'll swear to you this was not her idea, nor did she do it willingly or happily. She was told it was her only option to not being kicked out. I'm not making excuses, but that is what she believed. She did not want to do it. She felt she was betraying her only love, but the lawyer said so. Please don't pass this on if you ever talk to Amber again. I love you, son. Please don't use what I've told you from my heart against me. Please. What's going on here? After public backlash, Amber dropped her request for $50,000 per month in alimony, the uses of Johnny's 3 pounds and Range Rover. In light of the coordinated false negative media campaign falsely depicting my attempts to attain Klett's domestic violence restraining order is being financially motivated, I am hereby withdrawing the request from my pending Klett's domestic violence restraining order from pending late spousal support while reserving all my rights and exiting general family law action. Amber Heard misused the protections designed for victims of abuse to obtain a restraining order against Johnny Depp when he was in Spain, and had no chance to defend himself. It was further active abuse by Amber against Johnny. If you find value in these footage, blah, 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 blah. And there you have it, folks. That is the whole story on Amber Heard and the mother and father situation. Shows to be she's actively lying and being a psychopath. At this point, I'm going to assume, or I'm going to actually think that a lot of the photos that she posts about her being abused or injured in any matter is going to be false, especially due to the fact that a lot of them, especially when a lot of her stories are not being doesn't seem to make a lot of sense, I guess the correct way would be put it. And I guess we'll see on Monday on how that's going. I'll be posting probably clips of the trial here and there about the whole situation, about what's going on, so you guys can get more of a bite of what we can see. So stay tuned for that. Like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.